Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iOS is current and date and time are automatic, so network time matches GPS. Once done, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services and toggle it off. Wait 5 seconds, then back on to reset the system permission cache. Make sure any app showing Location Unavailable has permissions set to always or while using. You do this now because permissions and system time are the most common mismatches that block the GPS fix. Next, focus on network and app level causes. Reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi or cellular configurations that assist location triangulation. This also clears saved networks, so prepare passwords. Force quit the app showing errors, relaunch, and observe location accuracy. Make sure VPNs aren't forcing traffic through distant servers, low power mode isn't limiting background location, and airplane mode is off. These steps restore the data channels the iPhone uses to combine GPS. Finally, escalate with minimal data loss. Try reset all settings to restore system defaults without erasing content. This often clears deep configuration glitches affecting location. If that fails, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer, then perform a full restore. This reinstalls iOS and replaces corrupted system components. If problems persist after restore, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar because hardware faults like a damaged GPS antenna or antenna connector can mimic software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.